Hey guys, so this is a bit of an exploration. I've come down to my local river. I'm trying to find a feature which I saw on Google Maps, so I'm walking I'm walking up there. I'm going to be using Zman CrawZ. The idea is I'm trying to target perch. Now this area which I found is either an entrance to another river, which is classically a good place to find fish, especially perch, or it's walled off, which provides structure as well. So hopefully one of those two things, we should get something, hopefully, if I can find it. The setup which I'm using today, I've got a Zman CrawZ on a cheb rig. It's a 3 gram head. I might just fish this little bit here actually quickly, so let's see what we can do. Okay guys, so this is the entrance from one of the minor rivers into the major river, and there's a little point there. I'm just going to cast around there a couple of times to see if anything's around there. I've caught perch there in the past. So I'm using a Zman CrawZ 3 gram cheb head, cheb weight. I'm not sure if that's going to get us across there actually. The tide is on the way out at the moment, so it's probably 2 hours after high tide. This section is tidal. It tends to fish better just as the tide turns, I found. So I'm using fluorocarbon today. This is one of my other spinning setups. Not sure if I've got a heavy enough head on that. Wow, look at that. That's a sunrise. Okay guys, let's see if we can do a bit of jigging beside some of these boats, see if there's any perch down along here. Obviously structure like this is brilliant for perch. They love this. There's tons of little spaces for them to hang around. The water is looking a little bit skinny down here. So might not be exactly the right time to be doing this. This is the time we've got. So does look good. So what I do is I put a little bit of scent, which is this kind of white gel, onto my Zman CrawZ, and it's a black lure with a sort of bit of white on it, and I wonder if that looks a bit like a signal crayfish to them, because they've got a white band on them, I believe. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Okay, let's try along this little bit here. Oh, this looks massively muddy. Massively muddy. Okay. Oh, right. Okay, wasn't our target species, probably caught a pike. Let's get him out. So here we go, guys, got a little pike. He's probably about 2 pounds. Just took that little crayfish. Yeah, beauty. I mean, it's beautiful little fish. Look at him there. It's got nice colourings, fin perfect actually. Tiny little jack. Let's put him back. Wow, okay, straight out. Wow, that's a battle-torn pike. Right, there we go. Yeah, took it on a drop. There we go. Wow, that has been bitten. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna try a couple more spots around here. I've swapped over to Kitech Fat Impact. I think it's 2 inches, and I've got a 3 gram Cherubuska, tungsten Cherubuska weight on there, so that's that. Let's see if there's anything down here. I'm just going to try beside this willow. Just a nice little. The water's a little bit. There's been a bit of rain. So, oh, that does look good. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, let's see. It's weird, that looks so good underneath that tree. I would have put money on the fact that there was some kind of predatory fish under there. Even a chub. It's nice deep water. At the bottom. Oh yes, that does look absolutely amazing. Okay. Try down here along the side. Nothing. Okay. Let's try some of our Japanese casting techniques, shall we? Here we go. Oh, it's a pike. I think it's a pike. Hey guys, we're continuing this little recce session. We're going back up along the river. We found, well, we found one fish anyway yesterday when we came out. So we're going to go back up to there. I'm going to use the same thing, which was a Kitech fat impact shad, but I might swap over to a little crayfish and just jig it around on that wall, because I really think that there's some perch around there which I'm missing. So let's give it a go. Alright, I'm going to swap up straight away, I think. I don't know, I want to try I'm going to bounce something along the bottom. I think that's a good start. And come off that. I'm going to go straight onto the old Zman CrawZ. There we go. There we go, he's in. He's in now. Okay. Right, let's get a bit of that scent stuff on it. See if we can get some interest. I think bouncing something around down there. This is a slightly further reach of river, so we're a bit higher up on the river here, and I do believe that they do get crayfish along this section, or on this section of the river. So this won't be like putting in something completely alien in front of them. Which is good. Oh, we're in. Oh, perch. Nice perch. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, I thought there'd be a good perch in there. Ha. Yes! Oh, really nice sized perch. Look at this. So you can see just jiggling it around down there. Oh, I'm so pleased. So let's have a look at him. That is a really decent perch. Oh. So he is 41 centimeters. Brilliant. Really nice. Okay, let's have a look at this. Let's get this around. Hey guys, right, look at that. We caught a really nice perch. It's 41 centimeters, so it's probably about 2.5, probably maybe pushing 3 pounds. Look at that though, what a beautiful fish.
Really, really pleased with that. Excellent. Really, really pleased. Hey guys, I had a real hunch that there was going to be some perch just along that back wall there, and what a great one to get. First of all, that was like 41 centimeters. That's a really nice sized perch. On the Zman CrawZ again, they seem to really love those Zman CrawZ, the big ones. So if there's one there, there might be a couple, so we'll go and give it a couple more casts over there and see if we can get something else. Yes, we're in. What have we got? Another perch.